Have you ever noticed that a tiny twig looks like a whole tree? Or that coastlines stay jagged no matter how close you zoom? Today we will see how a few simple rules can build patterns that never run out of detail. By the end you will understand self-similarity, recursion, and why fractals can produce infinite complexity. Self-similarity means a shape contains smaller copies of itself at every scale. Watch the Koch snowflake. We start with one straight line. Replace the middle third with two lines that make a peak. Then repeat on every new edge. Each stage multiplies the total length by 4/3. So after n stages the length equals the original times 4/3 to the power n. Recursion uses the output of one step as the input for the next, letting detail grow without end. For the Mandelbrot set we pick a complex number c. Let c start at 0. Then repeatedly compute z equals z squared plus c. If the size of z ever exceeds 2, we color c according to how many steps that escape took. Otherwise c belongs to the set and we color it black. The rule is tiny, only 8 symbols. Yet repeating it for every pixel on screen builds the famous bulbous shape. Now zoom in. Every boundary sprouts new curls, spirals, and mini copies of the whole set. And this keeps going forever because the same rule keeps acting. Infinity emerges because the rule never changes as you magnify, it just keeps adding finer edges. The Sierpinski triangle shows the same idea. Start with a full triangle, remove the middle quarter, then repeat on the 3 remaining triangles. After infinite steps the area drops to 0 while the perimeter becomes infinite. All from one repeatable instruction. Nature uses the same trick. Coastlines repeat bends at every scale. Fern fronds sprout smaller fronds. Lightning forks into tinier forks. These patterns are not perfect fractals, but they follow self-similar rules that create rich detail from simple growth or erosion processes. So self-similar shapes reuse the same rule at every scale. Recursion feeds each output back into the rule. And together they turn finite instructions into infinite detail. Open any online fractal explorer. Pick a spot near the boundary. And keep zooming. You will see fresh patterns as long as you care to look. Generate your own educational videos for free at eduvids.vercel.app.